This is Haley's new bouncer. Someday she'll be big and she can bounce it all by herself. But for now it just vibrates. Bless you.